Welcome to video 6 in the series Nodes on 1Cademy. In this video we are going to go over concept nodes. A concept node displays a single concept in its definition. You can tell if a node is showing a concept by hovering over the icon on the bottom left-hand corner of the node. As we can see here, this is a concept node. There are two different types of concepts that you will find on 1Cademy. Superordinate, which is a general topic, and subordinate, which is a specific category. Language is an example of a superordinate concept, as it is a general topic that includes a lot of other more specific concepts. An example of a subordinate concept includes language comprehension, because it is a subordinate topic within the superordinate topic, language. It is important to note that it does not matter whether a concept is superordinate or subordinate. All concepts on 1Cademy will be indicated by the concept node. Please watch the following videos to learn more about the other types of nodes on 1Cademy.